In this video, I'll demonstrate how to download the desktop version of Microsoft Office for users at Centennial College. And I will also demonstrate how to access Microsoft Teams using my course Legal Computer Applications for students in the Paralegal program as an example. Go to office.com. Click on Sign In. From here, sign in using your email address that ends with my.centennialcollege.ca. This is the single sign-on page for users at Centennial College. If you wish to stay signed in, check the box for Don't Show This Again and click Yes. This is a good choice if you're using your personal computer, but be careful if you're using a public or shared computer. From the Office 365 dashboard, look for Install Office. Click the first option to download the Office 365 apps for your computer. The website has automatically detected that I'm using a Mac and downloaded the appropriate type of file. This time, I've loaded the Office 365 dashboard through office.com using a PC. If I click on Install Office, and again the same Office 365 apps, the download will begin, but the file will be the appropriate type for the PC. Online versions of the Office 365 applications are available directly from this dashboard interface in your web browser. Just be aware that if you use these versions, some features that are in the full desktop software might not be available. If you've chosen to install the software on your computer, one of the options will be Microsoft Teams. If you choose to use the web-based versions, click on Teams. For this demonstration, I'm going to use the web app instead of the desktop app, so I'll click on the link. After you've reached Teams, your Teams will appear in this interface. Although it's also possible that your view may be different. If you click on the gear on the bottom left, switch view, and grid, you can organize your Teams differently. If I want to switch back to the list view, I'll go to the gear icon, now located at the top, switch view, and I'll return to list. You will only be able to see teams that you're a member of or which you've created. Every team has at least one channel. By default, this is called General. In my course, I prefer to use the General channel for on-topic conversation about the work that we need to do, in this case, for legal computer applications. Messages from me and your classmates will appear in this channel in a timeline fashion, similar to the old-fashioned way that Facebook worked when you used to see every single message that everyone that you knew posted. If you want to talk about anything else, simply click on Off-Topic Discussion, and we can use this space to discuss other matters. When you first start using Teams, the amount of notifications that appear may be overwhelming. To manage your notifications, click on your user icon in the upper right-hand corner, Settings, and then Notifications. Go through this list and choose which type of notifications you would like to receive for any of these items. So far, I've only scheduled the first live meetings for each section in this course. Log on to Teams just a couple minutes before your meeting starts. Navigate to the General channel, and you'll see the option to join the ongoing meeting. If you're using an older computer or an older operating system, the download that results from clicking on the first option might not be right for you. If it doesn't work properly, investigate what's available under the second option. From this interface, I can click on View Apps and Devices. It has detected that I'm using a Mac right now, and it offers a separate link to download Office 365 for versions 10.10 through 10.12.6. If I needed one of those versions, I would click on this link, and the appropriate download will begin.